Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Apply Windows updates and reboot if required, because updates fix performance regressions. Once done, free disk space. Aim for roughly 10% free by emptying the recycle bin and removing large temporary files, which speeds file operations. Next, open Task Manager, switch to Startup, and disable non-essential entries. This reduces boot time, CPU, and memory pressure. Make sure to keep your antivirus enabled. Do not disable security tools while trimming startup items. Once the basics are set, optimize your drives. Run trim for SSDs or defrag HDDs using optimized drives, which improves access times. Then open System Advanced System Settings Performance and adjust visual effects to prioritize performance. This reduces GPU and CPU overhead. Also change your power plan to balanced or high performance to prevent CPU throttling. Finally, remove unused apps and background processes. This cuts memory use and reduces page file churn, so Windows spends less time swapping. And to finish, update drivers for graphics, storage, and chipset because outdated drivers cause slowdowns. Next, reset virtual memory. Allowing Windows to manage the page file usually prevents fragmentation. Alternatively, set a fixed size to reduce resizing overhead. Run a quick malware scan and check Task Manager for errant processes. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to isolate services or revert to a recent system restore point. This is the key troubleshooting tip. It restores a known good configuration without reinstalling the OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.